puking coolant. Come to Mille, they say. Catch lots of walleye. Well, that's where I want to be. Dude, tonight it's gonna be lights out. I can feel it. Everyone's getting their PB walleye.
Welcome back to another week of Burnin, guys. This week we're on an adventure that we soon won't forget, and we had an invite from a subscriber and friend, Joe Beavert, that we couldn't pass up on Mille, and it was to jig big walleyes. So we came out here. It was a weekend trip. We got here on a Friday night, but it was a struggle getting out here. Roads weren't plowed like normal.
Yeah, winter storms that the week before it made things difficult and interesting, but
so it was an experience getting out here in the dark, traveling through unplowed roads, bouncing, everything like that. We got to the shack and set up rattle wheels, and we went out Saturday morning, started jigging 10 below, but there was nothing but tulipy and whitefish to begin with. So we were jigging a flat that was surrounded by basically 30 feet of water, came up about like 18, 20 feet.
Yeah.
So we were working over mud flats and waiting for the walleyes to come up on top of them, and it was finally Saturday night that it started producing, and winter storm came in Saturday night also, so we were hoping and praying, fingers crossed, that would get the walleyes going, and it did. So you were catching them on, you caught one on
jigging spoons, tumbler spoon with just a pinched off fathead minnow head.
Yeah, and so we were all running different kinds of jigging spoons trying to get these fish to go, and we had set lines with the iFish Pro running a fathead minnow on there, and also a tip up with a fathead minnow on it. So stick with us on the adventure. It was some of the worst elements we've ever fished in, so it's not quite the normal smooth filming that we always have. The audio is going to be a struggle, but hope you guys enjoy it. So here we go. Welcome to Mille.
Welcome to Mille is exactly right. Okay, well, the resorts must have pulled their houses. Well,
We made it.
we made it.
Barely made it.
I'll take the smallest bed up here.
We made our own road out here
3 mile drive.
without a plow. Truck's still intact.
For the most part, yeah.
Surprisingly, we hit a couple good.
Jake's about to find out all his rods are somewhere back in the on the way out
That's
here.
one thing I don't worry about, because I got that rod case that those things won't break.
The box
Unless it would have fell out of the box.
the box
that
is
too.
2 miles back though.
No, I know. Yours is a big black one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I shoved her down in the corner.
morning. Out on the Lacs.
Pretty chilly.
What, 2 below?
It's supposed to get nice, I think.
Yeah, up in the 30s. Got a storm system rolling in tonight. Jake and Joe are drilling a bunch of holes.
Yeah, kind of cool looking. Hazy out here this morning.
Yeah, a little bit of fog over the whole lake. Slept on the ice in the ice castle. No rata reels going overnight, but let's hope they're moving for jigging. We gotta find them first though. Check that. It's 10 below actually, not 2 below.
Another Tullibee. Well, the only thing we can catch today.
That's a big mark.
No.
Oh yeah, Tullibee.
That's what you come to Mille for.
We're getting something.
Pounding them.
One of these times it's gonna be big.
You can't tell me there ain't a muskie or a pike that's following this school around.
You'd think there would be something big.
Team Tullibee coming at you from Mille.
Puking coolant. Come to Mille, they say. Catch lots of walleye. Well, we're where we want to be. Dude, tonight is going to be lights out.
That the wind?
I don't think so. It's bent down. Is that even possible? Oh, I can feel him fighting. He's there. Good fish, I think. Grab him.
Dude. Yes. Good eye.
dude, tripping.
That's
Also,
why
I just seen a rod going boom, boom, boom.
That is why we come to Mille.
I just got a white fish. That thing's big.
It's your fish, man.
Dude,
I'll turn the
that's
water.
our fish.
Keep it in the water.
That's our fish. Yeah, put him in the water. I'm gonna go get the fish.
There's ice in the water.
Dude, that's up on top. Hey,
Yeah.
up on top. Let's start fishing the top, I think.
I was like, what is he running to? Because the flag by me is not up. Like,
The flag wasn't up.
no.
You gonna measure him?
Yeah, might as well, huh?
Who's got?
I'm going 24.
You want bigger than that, dude.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. $25.
25.
Yeah, dude.
How do you like that iFish Pro?
It failed, but it was awfully fun.
You ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Hey, dude. On the iFish Pro.
iFish Pro
Nice, dude.
on the rod.
Yeah. Back she
Make
goes.
sure she
I thought
kicks-
you were running to where the shack was. I was like, that flag ain't up, dude.
Oh yeah.
See you later, baby.
That right there, man. That's what we've been waiting for all day. Oh.
I look up, I'm seeing things, and I'm like, is that the wind? What's going on there? Why isn't that flag up? And I see it one time go.
I saw it
I'm like,
bounce.
there is a fish on that rock.
I saw it bounce a couple times, but I was like, the flag's not up. Then I saw it.
How's that even possible? I don't even know how they work. How's that possible?
It's not really that possible. This thing had to have been hooked on something then, like around here or here, where it wasn't able to pull the line.
Oh man.
And I still felt some weight on there. I'm like, all right, there's a fish. And then Ross came over and
Wow, good eye.
As soon as the snowstorm started,
Snow
Yeah.
picks up, wind
better
picks
get
up.
another minnow on
yeah,
there.
25 incher, baby.
I'm almost tempted to. I'm gonna go check the lines in here too.
Alright. Yeah, just a ton of weight.
And then I'm gonna bring the auger. Let's drill some more. I'm gonna drill some more holes right around here. Grab him, grab him. He's right there. Walleye?
I don't think you.
Yeah, hang on.
Bring him up. Got him?
Got him? What is it, walleye?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh.
That's two, dude. Oh
You
my.
inhaled that freaking spoon.
Oh. Oh.
I just got done doing an Instagram video. I took a video of everybody. I said, it's looking pretty bitey out here.
Oh my
And
gosh.
I looked down and that sucker is just staring me down.
Get that baby unhooked. Oh god. Dude, you want to get a measurement on that?
No,
Oh
I
man.
think he's a little bigger.
Look at that. Nice one. Another nice one.
Number 2.
Oh yeah.
I'd
That's
say that's probably 26, maybe a little bit bigger.
yeah. Yeah, get it nice and
Healthy,
healthy fish right there. Beauty.
posing nice. One more picture.
Yeah, sure.
Hurry up so we can get her back. Oh, here we go.
Down she goes.
You're free, big girl. Dude, they're moving.
Yeah, they are.
Here she goes.
Yep. Good sound. Good job, man. That's 2 for you. Let's keep her going.
Yeah.
Whew.